Hello friends, in this video we will create web design with WordPress like this. We create like maintenance web. Okay, here we use CMS WordPress. Click plugins and then click add new. Search plugin, we type Elementor. Click install now for Elementor website builder. Okay, click activate and then click appearance, themes, click add new. Here we use hello Elementor and then click install and wait and then click activate. Okay, click pages. Here we create web design. Click add new. For title, here I type hello Desainew. For templates, we choose Elementor canvas, and for URL look hello Desainew. Click publish and click publish again. Click edit with Elementor and then click plus icon, click one column. Here I give yellow color. Click style, background, classic, and paste color code. I mean yellow color. Okay, click layout, box, and width. Here I type 800. Click edit column, click style, background type classic. Here I give a white color. Click edit section and then fit to screen for height. Here I click update, click a global menu, inner section, and drag like this. Okay, click menu, heading, drag like this, and here I type hello Desainew. Click style and here I change the color with gray color or black. For font family we use Roboto and size 54 and weight 800. Click menu and drag text editor. Here we use Ipsum generator lorem ipsum. Here I copy and paste in here. Okay, click style. Here I change the color code 5B 5B 5B. Okay, for typography font family we use railway and size. Here I type 13, and width 400, and for line height here I type 24 pixel. Okay, here I give a button like this, and then for text here I type back to home, and for link you can use google.com for example, and then click style, and here I copy and paste the blue code like this. Okay, and for the border radius, I'm sorry, and typography for family use Roboto, and size here I type 14, and width 600, and border radius here I type 35, and for padding fill with number 15, 23, 15, and 23. Okay, and then next we add image. Click this, choose image, upload files. You can drag and drop like this, and then click insert media. Okay, click edit column like this, and then you can give a border radius, fill with number 15, and then click box shadow. For horizontal we fill with number 1, and vertical is 3, and blur get number 14. Okay, and then click advanced. For the padding you fill with number 68, and then click update, and then you can click preview change. You can see like this, and for the button you can give a hover effect. Click hover in the style, and you can try one by one for the hover effect like this, grow, shrink like this, push grow. Here I choose float like this. Okay, click update, and then you can check the responsive mode, and then you can edit. Click edit column. For the padding click link values together, here we fill with number 45 for top, 20 right, 45 for bottom, and 20 for left. And margin fill number 12 for top and 12 for bottom. Okay, click update, and then you can check the responsive mode for the check uh, web design. Okay, finally we have created the web design in WordPress with Elementor plugins. I hope you can follow it well. I think this is enough for this video. Thank you for watching this video and see you again in the next video.